Hello, my name is Brian Jeffrey. As the Assistant Principal of Achievement at Montclair High School, my job is to help fulfill our school's vision that all students will graduate ready for college and careers. In addition, I work with our teachers, staff, students, and you to increase the graduation rate, lower the dropout rate, and help students fulfill their academic and personal goals. At Montclair High School, each one of our students is individually important to us. While I'm here to assist your daughter or son's success, I'm also here to work with you to ensure that all the doors of opportunity are open for them. And if a door is closed, to find out how to open it or to find another door that leads to their pathways of academic and personal success. Part of my job is to create, implement, and monitor interventions for students that will connect them to our school and help them become lifelong learners. Some of my responsibilities include supervising the following programs: before and after school tutoring, Saturday school, also known as CAP, which stands for Cavalier Achievement Program, interventions coordinator, Renaissance, which is our student academic recognition program, AVID, academics, career center, online learning, A through G completion rates, and student study teams, as well as many other programs and services related to students' academic progress. In addition to the many tasks our staff performs every day, foremost among them is our desire to be difference makers in the lives of our students. That's why our school motto is, students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.